Well, my name's Alex Navarro. This is the first video I've ever done for YouTube. The reason I'm posting this video is to share my concerns that I have for my government. I've never actually had concerns about my government before. I thought it was really legitimate. Everything was great and dandy, and I was living inside of a bubble. You know, when you go to the driver's license place, for example, the DMV, and you try to get a license, there's a process, even for a stupid driver's license. But I ended up marrying someone from another country, and it turned out that she was legal. We hired an attorney, and that attorney later on decided to not tell us that she had to leave the country within 30 days. So she tried to apply for her working papers, and as soon as we found out that she was declined for her working papers, then we were like, oh, what's happening here? There's a lot of questions. So we went ahead and we canceled our work day for the next day, and we went to the lawyer. The lawyer really we went to the legal aid. The legal aid was the one that had our file, and it was under a pile of files. They couldn't really find our file. After about an hour and a half of searching right in front of us for our file, they discovered that she had an order for deportation within 30 days. So she had to leave the country voluntarily within 30 days. At this point, she was already past her 30-day mark, so she was illegal, what you call illegal. And we were actually pending our marriage certificate. What was it? Our marriage certificate? It's called an I-130. We posted an I-130 with the USCIS, which is the immigration people for our government, and they take a very long time to actually approve your marriage. You can be married, but they want to make sure you're married. So while that petition was pending, the I-130 petition, they went ahead and they came knocking on our door at 6 o'clock in the morning to come and deport some Mr. Juan Fernando with some weird picture, and I told the big gentleman with bulletproof vest to please hold on, let me get my wife and go ahead and search my house for whoever the hell they're looking for. And it turned out that as soon as, 6 o'clock in the morning, as soon as my wife woke up and got out of bed and dressed, they swapped the picture and they showed a picture of her, and they said that there's an order of deportation for her, and that they're sorry that when they have an anonymous call, they have to deport the person. They normally go after criminals, blah blah blah. The point here is that the lawyer that didn't inform us of the 30-day voluntary departure, we threatened to sue him, and he threatened he threatened to take us to court, or I forgot his exact words at the moment, but basically there was only one other person on the planet that knew of the order of deportation. Not even my mother knew, and she was deported. So anyhow, there's no justice for immigrants, and I'm fighting for immigration reform because I believe that that would actually help people that, like me, that believed that our system is just, and it's just not, and people need to wake up and actually take a look. When they say immigration reform, by the way, it's very extensive, and I can't give my opinion on everything, but the fact of the matter is, when you're an American citizen and you're marrying someone because you love them, right now I'm in another country, and I'm sending this, and I have to wait around 10 years before my wife can return to the United States. So it's not a picnic, you know. It's actually extremely stressful. My grandparents really wish they could come visit me, and it's really hard for me to visit them. Well, I don't know what else to say right now. Again, this is my first video. I hope you guys enjoy. See you soon.